ever wonder what it's like to go on a 3-deck big electric go-kart track in the middle of the ocean on a massive super ship? Well, all that and more on today's video on our next adventure. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So on deck 17, after these doors open up, you can see right here you're met with everything you're going to need. Tea time that way, bullseye that way, the drop that way, but we're going to not the speedway viewing, but the speedway entrance, and that's immediately to our right. And literally before you see anything else, you're greeted with this. So first you have to have your rules as well as your height. These lovely guys over here will make sure that you get checked into the right one. And there is the speedway. And another useful thing that they showed me is on the wall over here, you have literally all the times and days of whatever trip you're on and when everything's open up. You'll get in and they'll escort you all the way up here, just up one deck. So once you get up these short flights of stairs, they will open it up. You will walk all the way straight and they will tell you which kart you're going to be in. And once the race is done, you can make your way to the winner's podium where hopefully, one, you're not racing by yourself. Although if you do come first, well, it's nice to have the bragging rights, of course, of being standing on the #1 spot, but there's no shame in being number 2 or number 3 or not even making the podium. But let's try and make the podium. So just some pricing information. If you're going to do the single racer option, so it's you versus other people, but you're the only driver and it's a single occupant kart, that's going to be $15 for every rider. If you're going to do the double rider option, right, remember that's a bit slower, but you're going to share that cost between 2 people. That's going to be 15 in total, so 7.5 each. And if you're going to try and race for glory and bragging rights, not to mention that cool trophy, that's going to cost $30, but it is just you on the track and going as fast as they allow you to go. One last thing I do want to mention before we get onto the racing is that every card on the top, you see there's that sort of LED light up show picture or something there so you can see it. If you're racing, you'll see that it goes between being green and red. If you're someone who's not participating, but you want to support someone who is in the middle of a race, whether it's them on the track or them versus other people, there is a boost function on the cards. And in order to get a boost, someone has to use one of the laser guns that are on the viewing or observation area of the raceway and shoot and target that top part of your car. Once they have the boost, the light will be on their steering wheel and they can press the boost button, which will allow them to speed their way into victory. Now, onto the race. That was absolutely awesome. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I mean, think about it. That was racing on an electric go-kart track that spans 3 decks in the middle of the ocean on a massive ship. It's just crazy to even say those words. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, you want to show some extra support, give it a thumbs up, and of course, leave a comment below. That's it from me. I'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye.